If your iPhone alarm stopped working after the iOS 26 update, in this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix it. Start by checking your alarm settings to make sure you selected the correct time with AM and PM. So launch your clock app, navigate to the alarm that you have set, check the AM or the PM, and verify that the repeat days are set properly. Also check your alarm sound and haptics as switching to a different tone or vibration can help. Next, swipe down to open your control center and ensure your phone is not muted. Then launch your settings. Now navigate to the option General, head over to the option Date and Time. Make sure you have enabled for the option set automatically. If you use the Health app for sleep schedules, turn off any bedtime or sleep schedules that may interfere with your alarms. You should also check Settings, then navigate to the option Focus to ensure no sleep focus is active. Disconnect Bluetooth devices like headphones or speakers. For that, navigate to Settings, go to the option Bluetooth, and disconnect to any of the Bluetooth device that you are connected to. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is reset all settings. For that, go to General, scroll all the way down, click on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset all settings, and go through the process. And that's it. These are some fixes for iPhone alarm stopped working after iOS 26 update. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.